Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in your education with University of Cambridge step by step clearly. Investing in your education at the University of Cambridge can be a transformative experience. Begin by researching the various programs offered at Cambridge to find one that aligns with your career goals. Visit the official University of Cambridge website to explore undergraduate and postgraduate options. Take note of application deadlines and specific entry requirements for your chosen program. Prepare your academic transcripts and any required certifications, ensuring they meet the university's standards. Gather recommendation letters from educators or professionals who can attest to your abilities and potential. Craft a compelling personal statement that highlights your motivations, experiences, and aspirations. Standardized test scores may be required, so check if your program necessitates exams such as the IELTS, GRE, or others. Complete the online application form on the university's admissions portal. Ensure all documents, including your personal statement, transcripts, and references, are uploaded correctly. Once submitted, track your application status regularly for updates. If invited, prepare for an interview by reviewing your application and practicing potential questions. Upon receiving an offer, carefully evaluate your financial situation and prepare to apply for funding or scholarships. Explore various scholarship opportunities provided by the university or external organizations. Once financially prepared, confirm your acceptance and follow the instructions provided for enrollment. Attend orientation sessions to understand the academic environment and available resources. Finally, immerse yourself in university life and make the most of your educational investment at Cambridge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.